Ready? Say good morning. Say good morning. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, today's Monday. Can you say Monday?
Money.
Monday. And it's Mommy and 3. There you go. You're number 1. You think you're number 1? So I'm number 1. Who's Mommy's big boy?
Me.
That's right. Can we count? Want to count with me? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you like the number 2, right? And do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Have a kiss. Good morning. Okay, we're going to go now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Good job. We'll do more later, okay? Okay.